The framers of the national policy on education realized that the formal system of education will not be able to reach all children of the country, particularly girls, working children, street children, and those children whose participation in the school system is hindered by social and economic situations. Full stop. The policy therefore provided for a systematic and large scale flexible programs of non formal education to enable the children to learn at their own place and their own environment, education of quality. Full stop. The idea behind the system is that if the child cannot go to the school shall go to the child. Full stop. The scheme, which was originally started in 1987, has been revised to provide flexible curriculum, diversity in learning activity through decentralized management. Full stop. Paragraph change. The non-formal education has already yielded very fruitful results in the field of adult education, distant education. Full stop. The government proposes to increase the number of non-formal education centers to 3 lakh so as to cover all habitations. Full stop. The experiment of non-formal education is being closely watched by advanced countries, particularly in Asia. Full stop. Close.